Aloha, food lovers. Ready to dive into some tropical treats? Let's uncover some island food secrets. First up, did you know that in Hawaii, Spam is a superstar? Yep, that canned meat is so beloved, they even have a festival celebrating it. Spam musubi, anyone? Next, let's hop over to the Caribbean. Ever heard of ackee? It's a fruit that looks like scrambled eggs when cooked, and it's the national dish of Jamaica. Talk about a breakfast of champions. And finally, let's set sail to the Philippines. Here you'll find Halo Halo, a dessert that's a colorful mix of shaved ice, sweet beans, jelly, and, wait for it, purple yam. It's like a party in a bowl. Who knew island foods could be so quirky and delicious? So next time you're dreaming of a beach getaway, don't forget to add these island treats to your foodie bucket list. Mahalo for watching.